How to unblur lock screen wallpaper on iPhone in iOS 17. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video you will learn how to fix lock screen wallpaper getting blurred on iPhone in iOS 17. Let's get started without wasting any time. First, launch the settings menu on your device. Now find and tap focus. Under the Focus tab, do not disturb. Here, tap Options. Under the Options, turn off dim lock screen. Guys, make sure that dim lock screen is off. Now you can see that as soon as I turn off the dim lock screen, the wallpaper is clearly visible. And as soon as I turn it on, the wallpaper will blur again. So you have to turn off the dim lock screen. That's it. Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.